My dear students, welcome to online teaching of St. Thomas School.
We are going to study moral science subject, chapter number 3, A Mahatma in Making, video number 2.
My dear students, chapter number 3, A Mahatma in Making, is going on. Page number 8, second paragraph. What an inspiring example from a little bunny boy, just 12 years old. If we learn a lesson or two from his resolve to keep off from all kinds of cheating and trickeries, our nation would be a corruption-less place soon. The 12 years old Gandhi strongly questions the morality of cheating in various exams. That is, from class test to university exams. His example will remain as a question mark before thousands of parents, teachers, and students who encourage copying or trying to copy in exams. Gandhiji might have lost a mark or two, but what he gained was much more precious and lasting. As we see around us, whatever people gain through corruption and forgery is lost of all a sudden. There are political leaders, cabinet ministers, film actors, and business tycoons serving time in jails. Small lies in childhood becomes great forgeries later, and in that process one bring a lot or harm to oneself and society. Dear students, in this paragraph, one very good example is given for the inspiration of a little bunny boy, just 12 years old. Then also, you see, he is thinking about the corruption-less country, corruption-less nation. Then 12 years old Gandhi also is strongly believing in morality about various exams. Cheating is going on, no? From class test to university exams. So here meaning of the Gandhiji is telling not good to make cheating in the examination. And Gandhiji is telling to thousands of parents, teachers, and students, those who are encouraging for copying or trying to copy in exams. That is not good at all. Because just 1 or 2 marks they can get. But for whole life, wrong lesson they are learning. We can see, no, many political leaders, cabinet ministers, film actors, those who are doing corruption, their life is not good. Many powerful persons are there. They are against of corruption. And their life is Very good. So, this is a very small thing about not to copy in the examination that Gandhiji learned from childhood onwards. So, in this paragraph, we are learning we have to become moral person. Next paragraph. Gandhiji valued truth more than anything else. We may not be rewarded always for being truthful. Others may find it difficult to accept our side of the story all the time. Gandhiji recollects another incident which took place when he was in the 7th standard. The headmaster was a popular disciplinarian and a good teacher. He made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for boys of upper standards. Gandhiji disliked both. He never took part in any exercise before they were made compulsory. He had a false notion that such things have nothing to do with education, but later Gandhiji realized that physical training also has an important place in the curriculum. My dear students, in this paragraph, Gandhiji is giving too much importance to truth. Sometimes, by being truthful person, we may not be rewarded always. Sometimes, when we are going for truth, difficulty will be there, but always we have to become truthful person. So here one example is given about Gandhiji when he was in 7th standard. Headmaster was a popular disciplinarian and very good teacher, and he made compulsory gymnastic and cricket. But Gandhiji did not like both. But later on, Gandhiji understood gymnastic and cricket is very good for the health, and when he realized that time, he gave importance also. Then Gandhiji understood physical training is very important in curriculum. Now, my dear students, 2 paragraphs left that we will take in the next video. Thank you very much.